one term. Wanani hii ati mumeachiwa Mungu, ni kama tulikuwa wake ndo atuachie Mungu. Can you imagine? Anyway, Mungu ameshikua na sisi. And by the way, there is something I hate about this guy and his followers is the victim mentality they have, that everyone is always blackmailing them. For instance, they said Rigiji was blackmailing them. That is why they impeached him. Now they are saying Kangata was blackmailing them. Everyone is always blackmailing them. And somehow they are the saints. I hate that mentality. Yeah, I hate a lot of things about them, but that mentality just gets me off. That is why I'm saying, if your member of parliament, if your governor, if your senator still believes that this guy is the best president Kenya will ever have, it says a lot about your leader. And if you still think that this guy is a good leader, it says a lot about you. And anyone who thinks this guy is good is not fit for leadership. Tuko pamoja? One time.